To get started, go to the game that you would like to make a Gamepass for. Click the Store button to view your game store. Then, click the Add Pause button to create a new Gamepass. This button will take you to a page where you can fill in the details for your Gamepass, such as name and description. When you are done, click Preview, followed by Verify Upload to make your Gamepass. Here you can change all the details related to the Gamepass, including the price. When you are done, click Save. Make sure to save the number in your URL bar because that is the unique Gamepass ID that you can use for coding. To prompt players to purchase your Gamepass, some code is required. To do this, create a new screen GUI in your game underneath Starter GUI. Then, create a text button inside of the Starter GUI and customize it to your liking. Afterwards, create a local script inside of the text button and double-click it to start coding. Clear the script and create a new variable to store your unique Gamepass ID in. Then, create a function that runs whenever the player clicks on the button. Simply add this line of code that creates a pop-up for the player. We will also include this line in the description below. To test out your code, click the playtest button and then click the button that you just made. For more in-depth coding material, check out the resources in the description below.